Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to view or edit subtitles on Amazon Prime. This is incredibly useful if you want to customize how your subtitles appear while watching shows and movies, making them easier to read and more comfortable for your viewing experience. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to primevideo.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the Prime Video homepage where you can see all your recommended content and available shows. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon sitting there. Hover your mouse over it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account and Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your Prime Video account, including subtitle preferences. Once you're in the Account and Settings area, look at the top menu. You'll see various tabs that control different aspects of your account. Click on Subtitles to access the subtitle customization section. This is the hub for all your subtitle styling preferences. On this page, you'll notice different options such as Subtitle Preset 1, Subtitle Preset 2, and Subtitle Preset 3. These are pre-configured subtitle styles that Amazon offers, but you can fully customize them to match your personal preferences. Select your preferred preset from the list, and just below it, you'll see an Edit button. Click on it to begin customizing your chosen preset. The editing interface will open up, giving you full control over how your subtitles appear. Start by navigating to text. Here, select your preferred color from the list. You'll see a range of color options, so pick one that stands out well against the video backgrounds you typically watch. Next, move on to select your size. This determines how large or small the subtitle text appears on screen. After that, choose your font to match your reading preference. Then select your edge style, which adds an outline or shadow to make text more readable. Finally, adjust your opacity to control how transparent or solid the text appears. Now navigate to Background. This section controls what appears behind your subtitle text. Select your preferred background color from the available options. This can help create contrast and make the text easier to read. Then adjust the background opacity to determine how solid or transparent that background color should be. Next, navigate to Window. This controls the overall container that holds your subtitles. Select your preferred window color and adjust the window opacity to fine-tune how the entire subtitle box appears on your screen. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click Save. Your subtitle preferences are now updated and will apply to all the content you watch on Prime Video going forward. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your subtitle settings on Amazon Prime. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.